Alright, it's Dame the Real Productions here with another unboxing of the Launchkey 37. Novation Launchkey 37. And I was interested in actually getting something like this because I had the Launchkey Mini, the Mark II, I believe, and yeah, it was pretty cool. It was a cool experience, but you know, I didn't realize that they had 37 keys and a lot more options and knobs and features, so that makes things easier. And I also use Ableton, so that's actually a good thing too. But without further ado, let's open this. It's cool. Oh. Tight and slippery. Pull the whole thing out. It's taking a minute. Alright, that's how it looks. It's cool. Let's see what came in the box. Okay, usual. 1 second. Manual, Chinese writing, important safety stuff. Okay. USB. Yep. Standard. Nothing else in the box, but okay. Shows right here, Ableton Live, Serato sample LE. Okay, that's new. Splice sounds, Spitfire Audio Labs, strings, okay. Oh, audio addictive keys. I got some things to download now. Oh. Clef Grand, Reverb, okay. AAS section button, oh man. There's a lot of stuff to download. Cause the first Launchkey I came with, like, I think bass station, V station, and I think I had something that came with the launch pad also, so yeah, that's cool. Okay. Here we go. Take off this packaging. Whew. Yeah, definitely got some weight to it too. Yeah, because I had no idea that they made 37 keys, but I was gonna get the 49, but this will do, you know, allow some more space, so that's cool. So we got a lot of stuff here: ARP, scale, device volume, yeah, ARP, tempo, man, scale. Oh, there's a lot of stuff. Oh, and the buttons feel way more solid than the Mark II. So that's cool too. Capture MIDI, so that's the feature that Ableton has. So I could just be playing around and play something cool without recording, then it'll remember. So that's cool. Click undo. All the stuff here. The keys. Yeah, I like them. Okay, so it's cool. Knobs very sturdy, greased up. I like it though. Okay, we got big logo, sustain pedal, got that. USB, MIDI out, that's it. For the most part, it feels good. Built nice. Built tight. Okay, so that was the unboxing. Alright, check y'all later. Damn the Real Production. Subscribe. Like, comment. Help me out.